Here is how to auto forward emails in Gmail. So let's get started. First open Gmail and then click on settings that's on the top right. Here click on see all settings and come to forwarding and pop IMAP. It's this option, and here the first option is important for us, which is forwarding. So the first step is to add a forwarding address. So click on this, then here add the email ID that you'd want to forward all emails to. So I'll add that. Click on next. So if you have two-step verification, you'll have to confirm that. Then click on proceed, that a confirmation link has been sent to this email ID and we just have to verify that email ID. So click on OK. Now I'll come to this email ID and let's see if I've gotten the mail. So here they've said that this email ID has requested to automatically forward mails to your email ID. And if you want to allow this, just click on this link and click on confirm. And now it's done. So I can close this and go back. Here, just refresh the page. And as you can see, it's been verified. So now instead of disable forwarding, select the second option, that's forward a copy. So this option is forward a copy of incoming mails to, and click on this option. And here, just type in the email ID. And then in the second box, you have different options. You can decide if you want to keep the mails in this inbox, mark them as read, archive them, or delete them from this inbox. So select whichever option you want, and then scroll down and click on Save Changes. And as you can see, we've got a new notice on top, which is saying that we are forwarding mails to this email ID. So this is how it works. And if you want to know some Gmail settings, check out this video. Goodbye.